Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving into the top 4 side hustle ideas that can boost your income without overwhelming your schedule. Whether you're looking to save up for a dream vacation or just want some extra cash, these ideas might just be what you need. At number 4, play games for money. You can actually play games on your phone and get paid. There are tons of game apps that pay you cash or free gift cards. All you have to do is download them and then play sponsored apps to earn rewards. At number 3, Online Survey Taker. One digital side hustle you can try is to answer surveys for money. There are actually many survey sites that will pay you. It is safe to say that you won't become a millionaire, but it is a lazy and easy option to earn a little extra. At number 2, offer services on Fiverr. If you haven't heard of Fiverr, I recommend you to check it out. Fiverr is a leading online marketplace that offers services referred to as gigs. It's a platform where freelancers can list and advertise their digital services. If you have a talent, you can offer your services. Some examples are photography, editing, marketing, website design, singing, writing. And number 1, starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is number 1 because of potential. Just by starting a YouTube channel won't make you money, but you can become a millionaire. And anyone can start a channel. You don't need the most expensive equipment in the beginning. You just need an idea and a phone. And the most important thing of all, just start. Thanks for watching. We hope these side hustle ideas inspire you to start earning extra on your own terms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on making money smartly and efficiently. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.